Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? About Hannes coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Why are you doing, John?
No.
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So yesterday was nomination day, and there's a bag of things going on the road. So today, we're going to put a little compilation together, a little scenes and things that are on the road. And we're going to watch it, Uno are going to react to it, and me are going to react to it at the end of the video. So anyway, peeps, I'll be your madness. Extraness!
Oh! JLP dog, you see it? JLP dog block, see it there? No joke. Yeah, block. Right round for the next side, right now, father. Right round for the next side, right round this up. No, if not, yeah, right round this up. See it there, leave a right dog. Wicked for block. Yeah, man, him good now, man. Him good now, make him inhale it. Him good now, man, him good.
Yes, I tell me the paint wash off of Rambo. It was washable, it wasn't a toxic paint, thank God. So here, mate, I bring some food for him, some treats. So he's healthy and alright. So next time, I don't know if you guys want to come and get him neutered. You understand? So that is it. He's okay, alright?
Look it now, second.
Backside. Some people are easy, brother.
Everybody alright, though. That's why they sit down. Everybody alright. Yeah. That's why they sit down coming no so that didn't happen. Look like this. Yeah, nobody not getting a bad hurt. Me know it. Me know so that didn't happen. Come on, time. Me not someone on a job. Me know so that.
The Labourites are tearing down our flags. The police is here, and this is what they are doing after 40 years of being in Maypen, 40 years of being a member of parliament. They have to resort to tearing down PNP flags. The councillor for Denby Division has come out allegedly with guns and threatened the persons who were putting up the PNP flag and tell them that it is my town. We can't put up orange flags in the town. This is what is happening in Maypen town right now.
Come again.
Hey, step again, hey. Come on that side. Alright.
Like you guys been hiding. You mean to tell me that I can't see you guys until Friday? You guys, you wildin'.
Which Friday I gotta learn over talk?
A bitch been traveling, man. I've been up and down. I've been everywhere. I've been US, USA, United States of America. I've been.
Problem. Life born. Shut up. Life born now. Life very born. Here we go. Ready.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Alright, babe, so we're gonna play a game. This is you, this is my ex. Go.
This is me?
Who has made you cry the most? Who has the nicest body? Who is the funniest?
Me.
Who does your mom like the most?
You can't be answering for me.
Who has cheated on you?
Likes me the most. My mom likes me,
Who
Alexis.
was the biggest liar?
I'm being honest.
Who was the best kisser?
Me?
What are you
That's
doing?
me, that's me.
What are you doing?
Who do you think loved you the most?
Yeah, her. The fuck, I don't fucking... Yeah, do it, all of it.
Who
Hey.
made you cry the most?
Cálmate.
Yeah, fuck this shit. Give her everything.
Who has the
Hold on,
nicest
I'm
body?
not posting this.
¿Para qué te estás enojando?
No, this is not fair. You didn't give me shit. कुछ भी नहीं दिया मेरे को, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए.
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them clip there. A bag of things go on the road yesterday for nomination day. 2 party them went out and stunting. You wanna see the dog? My dude. Paint the dog green. A whole heap of things, you know. Yo. Hang off a bus. They're breaking out in the roads. I be a things. But only concern is I see some people will never have on no mask. Yeah. And so much area in Jamaica, guys, they're on lockdown. A lot of areas in St. Andrew, they're on lockdown. So my question is, how a bag of madness I got. I don't know how the place, so much place. Yo, my thing is, them shouldn't call the election now. But that's just my thoughts, man. That's just my thoughts, eh? I not tell the man them what to do. I'm just say now is not the time, especially with all of this what happened. But anyway, peeps. Yo, regarding one of the PNP lady, I share say yo, JLP people pull down them flag and people run down upon them with gun. and stuff like that. Allegedly, you know what I mean? If that's true, that's not good, guys. Come on, man. Make this run, or this year run, be a peaceful one. We don't need that right now. The world need more healing than anything right now. You know? But anyway, peeps, just let me know below what your thoughts on the matter. The videos then make we talk one-on-one. As I said, this was just a compilation of videos and stuff like that. They were very short, that's why I'm never to react to them, and it was enough. It was way more, but I pick out the good ones them and just give to them. Alright, peeps, so thank you very much for watching. Y'all the greatest in the world, and yeah, just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo, serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.